Happy New Year, everyone. Can you believe it's January 2025? Where has 2024 gone? And I expect we'll be saying, where has 2025 gone in a few months? It'll only seem like a few months. I can't wait to take the tree down, but I know that it's going to be going up in the blink of an eye, where the time seems to be speeding up. Anyway, thank you to everyone who supported my Advent series in 2024. I brought that back, and I decided, because I brought that back and I brought back my Christmas Day unboxing extravaganza, I thought I'd bring back Vacuum Cleaner of the Month. It's a few years since I've done it. I quite enjoyed doing it, but I stopped doing it because I thought, well, I'm committed. Once I start something, I'm committed to finishing it. Just like with the Advent videos, I had to do it all, even though I wasn't, towards the end, it was getting a bit, ooh. Especially on my other channel, I did an Advent series. So I was recording, I did about 48 videos, not quite, but nearly 48 videos in December, and I was burnt out. But I thought Vacuum of the Month, it's more of an informal thing that I can do with my loyal subscribers. So I thought I would. So, because I want your opinion, I did put a poll up on the community section of my channel. Too late to vote now. You have voted. The votes are in, folks, and I can reveal that the winning cleaner, now there were choices. There was the Sebo K1 Satin Blue. There was the PacVac Velo backpack machine. There was also the Miele Duroflex cordless. And I think the last choice was the Hoover Evo bagless upright cleaner. What did you choose, folks? Well, it's here. This is the one you chose. You chose for me to use the Hoover Evo bagless cleaner for a whole month, for the whole of January. And I will, not exclusively, I might be grabbing the other odd cleaner from time to time, but mainly I'll be using this machine for my carpets, my floors, my stairs, my furniture. And it does have 13 stair cleaning. So I'll show you this briefly. I have made a separate video today of this machine. I'm not sure if you'll see it before this one. So I've unboxed it, I've assembled it, I've given it a quick go. So it has got a little bit of dirt in it, but any other dirt that's going to be inside this bagless container will be dirt I've collected in January. I might save up the dirt actually into a carrier bag so you can see, but the brief time I've used it in the unboxing video, we've got a bit of dirt in here and pet hair as well. So I won't bother going into too much detail about this cleaner because there is a separate video, and I will explain more about the machine on the 1st of February when I've had a chance to use it for a month. This was kindly supplied to me by one of my subscribers, Joe, a long-term subscriber who chose this on my Amazon wish list. You might have seen this if you watched the unboxing Christmas Day extravaganza video. That's when I first revealed it. So all I can say about this, it's relatively easy to push on my plush pile carpet. It's very, very quiet, and it's pretty light. And for around £68 from Amazon, I think it's good value if you want something on a budget. So that's what's going to be my Vacuum of the Month. So it's going to be quite a short video, this, because some of you may be hungover. I'm not, of course, being a teetotaler. Well, I did have a little bit of shandy bass, that's all. So I'm still fresh, but some of you might be sort of recovering from the excesses of last night. So if you are, drink plenty of fluids, take some painkillers, and try and relax today, and then you're ready for whatever the new year is going to bring. Obviously, when I show you this again in February, it'll be a longer video, because not only will I be showing you what I thought of this cleaner, I'll be introducing February's Vacuum of the Month, and I think I will put another poll up as well. Maybe not every month, but I think a lot of the time I will put a poll up on the community section of YouTube, so you can vote on it. It'll be a pictorial poll, so you can comment underneath if you like, but please remember to put your vote by each choice. And I think, I don't know what I'm going to choose as a selection for February. We'll see how I get on with this, but I might go for a cylinder model maybe next month. we'll see how it goes, folks. So I hope you're going to enjoy 2025 with the reintroduction of Vacuum Cleaner of the Month. I think I'm going to enjoy it, and it'll give me, as I said, it'll give me a bit more of an insight, because just to show you a cleaner in a unboxing and first look, you know, gives me a rough idea of what it's going to be like. But until I've actually used it for a few weeks, it's hard to give you my full verdict. But I will be doing a full verdict video on this 1st of February, so tune in. Thanks for watching. Again, thank you to everyone who's commented, all my subscribers, who's helped grow my channel over 2024. Let's hope 2025 will be an even better year. Lots coming up, so if you watched my unboxing extravaganza, you'll have seen a few vacuum cleaners that obviously will be appearing on this channel this year, but also many other machines I've not shown you, some older machines that I've made videos for last year that I'll be uploading this year, some nice vintage cleaners to look at, and I'm hoping to give more demonstrations of both modern and vintage. There'll be hopefully less unboxings and first looks and more demonstration videos. But one thing I do know from my poll, SIBO is not popular. It's popular with me. I do like SIBO cleaners, and I will be showing you some SIBO cleaners this year, including, of course, if I can get my hands on one, the new SIBO cordless machine. Lots of negative comments about that. It does look like a generic Chinese machine, which if it is, and I suspect it is, it's not my place to say, but I will have my say, because I bought an awful lot of SIBO cleaners. But don't worry, I'm sure SIBO will not be discontinuing their German-made bagged cleaners. They're just adding another product category, and perhaps they're just testing the market with the Balance. And that's a ridiculous name, because if you type SIBO Balance into Google, you'll find loads of hair care products, something I don't have to bother with. But yeah, maybe SIBO should have rethought that name. Maybe in Germany they don't sell SIBO Balance shampoos, but certainly they do in the UK, so it's going to be rather confusing. You won't find it online yet. I don't know when it's going to be launched. Also coming up very soon, I'm sure Miele will be launching their new mains powered cylinder vacuums, the replacement for the C3 and the so many Cs. The C1, the budget priced, I don't know if that's being replaced. I think that might be staying the same, but they are certainly revamping a couple of the existing models, and there will be a whole new range of premium bagged cylinder vacuums. It'll be interesting to see if they're still made in Germany. But of course I will be featuring some other Miele cleaners. I got one Miele cleaner for Christmas that you saw in the unboxing video. So I will try and keep abreast of new developments, upright cylinder, cordless, robotic, carpet washers and floor washers. So I'm going to try and give you, a wide selection of different machines, both new and vintage. So I'm hoping, you can't please everyone all the time, but I'm hoping to please many of you most of the time. If you don't like the videos, that's fine. But if you do like a video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help the channel grow, and helps me to afford these cleaners. Although, of course, in the case of this one, this was a kind donation from Joe. So, hope you're going to enjoy Vacuum of the Month. Please comment below. What would you like to see as Vacuum of the Month? But don't forget, if you follow my channel, there will be polls up around the end of each month. So you have a say in what cleaner you'd like me to use. And there may be a few vintage machines mixed in. I would like to use some 70s or 80s cleaners for a whole month. It would be nice, because I do like them, but I do realise that some of the machines that I do like, they're not always that practical to use this day and age. But yeah, if you want me to use a vintage machine, I will give you some vintage choices, I expect, in one or two of the polls. So for me and the Hoover Breeze Evo, it's goodbye, Happy New Year, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.